To secure framed artwork, posters, photography, and signage to a wall, security T-screws are a popular hanging system for safety and preventing theft. This framing hardware is ideal for corporate offices, hotels, restaurants, schools, museums, and numerous public and private locations where security is a concern. The T-lock system is simple. For hanging one metal picture frame onto a wall, the hardware polybag contains one locking T-screw with wall anchor, two metal support brackets, wall anchors, and screws. A special security wrench key is required and sold separately. This tool is designed with a notch to lock and unlock the T-screw into place. If multiple frames need to be locked into place, hardware and bulk packages are available. Only one wrench key is needed. To install the metal picture frame, position the frame on the wall. Mark where the brackets should be located so they are evenly spaced along the top of the aluminum frame profile, typically 2 inches from the ends. Attach the two brackets to the wall using the 1-inch screws provided. Place the frame on the bracket, securing it to the back of the frame channel. Make sure the frame is level. Adjust if needed. Find the center of the bottom of the frame. Mark the spot on the wall using a pencil or tape. Remove the frame off the wall. To accurately position the T-screw so that its T-shaped head engages the back frame channel, mark 1/4 inch above the bottom line. Drill a hole on the mark. If drywall, insert the wall anchor. Insert the T-screw. Using the security wrench key, tighten until it protrudes 1/4 inch from the wall. Turn the T-shaped screw head parallel to the bottom frame channel. Place the picture frame back on the hanging brackets. The T-screw should fit into the bottom frame channel. Using the wrench, reach behind the metal frame so that the notch engages the T-screw and turns 90 degrees. This will lock the frame to the wall. Your metal frame is now secure.